What is good, YouTube? Buttery socks sliding your way. Okay, I'm trying to think of a new intro, but I think that's good enough. So let's try that again. Yo, what is up, guys? Buttery socks sliding your way with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a perfect and amazing sandwich. So let's go ahead and show you how to make it. First, you're gonna need to get your bread. Let me just go ahead and open this. Right, just get 2 pieces. Personally, I like mine toasted, so we're gonna go ahead and toast these babies. So put one in there, and let's go ahead and Alright, sorry about the pause, guys. We'll go ahead and close this baby up. We're gonna go ahead and put it right there. Alright, let's wait for it to pop up.
What's going on?
I had it on my...
Because it's burnt.
I don't...
You put the setting too high.
What do you mean? I had it on, legit on 2. Or... No, it's fine. Alright, well, now what you're going to want to do after that incident is you're going to want to go ahead and just put some eggshells on there, you know. Nicely. Beautiful. Amazing. Now you're going to want to go ahead and... Okay, now you're going to go ahead and put just a slight bit of salt on there. Now let's go get our other ingredients. Alright, guys, so next we're going to go ahead and grab your Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And, yeah, it's going to be pretty great. Let me go ahead and open it. Sorry about the music. Now we're just going to want to go ahead and just... yeah. Oh, that looks great. Oh, man. It's my favorite sandwich. My favorite part of the day is to eat these. Okay, let me just go ahead and put this on without getting my fingers all sticky. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and put this back. Now, once you got that all taken care of, you want to go ahead and, seeing as you already have your burnt sandwich, alright, there you go, you got your burnt bread, got your eggshells, your barbecue sauce. Now we're just missing a few more ingredients, and then once we're done, you got yourself an amazing sandwich. Now, go ahead and turn on the light. Now you're going to just want to go ahead and, I don't think we have any open cereal, so I don't want to open any bag. So we're just going to skip the cereal part, I guess. So, instead, we're just going to take some of our beautiful strawberry syrup. Actually, oh. And just go ahead and open it. There we go. Sorry about if there's any sounds. And, oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, that's so great. Alright, there you go. Let's go and put that right there. Now, next product. Here we go. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your Valentino sauce, and we're just going to want to go ahead and open that. There we go. We're just going to... Oh, there we go. Oh, dude, this is looking amazing, man. Can't wait to eat this, man. It's great. There we go. Let's go ahead and put that right there. Now, we might make this a series, guys, so if you want to see more, subscribe and like. Let's see more of our food creations. And, get out of here, buddy. God, I'm trying to get the products for our... Get out of here! Then you want to go ahead and grab a piece of bologna. Bologna. And just go ahead and just... There we go. Now, do the last final touch. And... boom! You got yourself the greatest sandwich in the world. In my opinion. Personally, the best ever. So, yeah, you guys want to see more of this, go ahead and check out my channel. Now remember, actually, always keep that piece of shit on the bologna, so that way it tastes even more fruity like. But there you go. That's how you make a sandwich. You want to see more? Subscribe and like, and check out my food series. Bye. I made you a sandwich.
No, I see the eggs.
Have fun.